பார்த்துட்டு 1000 செல் கவுண்ட் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இது என்ன பர்பஸ்க்குன்னா பேசிக்கலாக ஒரு குழந்தையாகட்டும் வயசான பெரியாகட்டும் முதல் வியாதி எதில் பார்க்குறதுன்னா இந்த பிளட் கவுண்ட் மிஷினில் தான் பார்க்கணும். இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டு டிரான்சேஷியா கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 40 வருடமாக ரொம்ப சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக ஆல் இண்டியா வைஸ் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் நம்ம வந்து சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக கொடுத்துட்டுருக்கோம், சர்வீஸும் கொடுத்துட்டுருக்கோம். இந்த ப்ராடக்டை பற்றி ஒரு டீட்டெயில் அதோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸு அதோட என்னென்ன வியாதிகள் வர்றதுக்கான அறிகுறிகள் எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து எங்களுடைய கொலீக் வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, உங்களை எல்லாரையும் வரவேற்கிறோம். ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் மை சிஎம்டி, எங்களுடைய சிஎம்டி வந்து இதை பற்றி பேசுகிறதுக்கு இங்கே நான் அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறேன்.
To this press conference. One negative thing about media, I cannot speak in the local language, but I will try to explain. If you have any translation, my colleague is here. But I'll try to do best justice. Okay, it's been very kind that all of you are here. I'll give you a small 10 minutes presentation about translation.
Borders, and we're here in Chennai, as my colleague Anil Dodwani explained and Satish before me. Here because we are a company that's very close to our customers, and we have grown because of our customers. For 40 years, we started, as you know, as a very small company. And the reason why this is so important, this relationship is so important to us, is because our customers are pathologists, in the laboratory. So when you go to the hospital, you get to see a lot of the doctors, clinicians. You see the cardiologist, you see the orthopedics if you have a pain in the back, or you see dermatologist if you have a problem with your sugar maintaining a balance, or you have a heart ailment. So you see all these doctors, but how they treat you and your outcome depends on the blood tests generally. If you go to the OPD department, you go to the admissions department. Depending on the kind of hospital, super specialty, whether there are transplants happening, whether there are cancer patients being treated. So we have more sophistication in the equipment. So my colleague from Europe, Mr. Alistair McLeod, will release the first machine.
Thank you. Should we do it together?
Yes.
There's one part. Yeah. Pull that off of that. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Very easy to operate.
Yeah. So once you set the machine up, there's really no manual intervention. There's no you don't have to touch the screen anymore when you set up. You simply take a vial with some blood in it, take the cap off, scan the barcode reader, insert it into the needle and push a little trigger which pulls the blood up into the machine, and in about 45 seconds, 50 seconds later, the result comes up on the screen. And you can just repeat that as often as you want, as often as you have a tray of blood samples in front of you. So very simple to operate, and that's been a key driver for the design of this machine right throughout its development process. This is the H560, and the difference in number is this is a 3-part system, which gives you sort of basic understanding of the blood constituents. The 560 allows you to see a lot more detail inside those, and the idea is that you try and prevent a lot of manual microscopy from happening. If you don't have these machines, you have to literally look into samples and count the cells and then try and identify the abnormal ones. These machines take all of that basic counting out of it. And the 560 allows you to do more sophisticated analysis of the white and red blood cells, so that at the end of the samples you're only identifying, you get rid of all the normals, and you're left with just that small pool of abnormals you then go and do more analysis with. Again, same principles, ease of use and affordability driving the design of this machine. So, the Elite 580, we have got a screen at the side. So the 580 here is an automatic version of this machine effectively. So remember I said that you would take a single blood vial and be able to do a test, and then in 45 seconds you get a result. With this machine you will load 60 samples into the tray, and and it will do up to 80 tests per hour. So when you've loaded your tray into this machine, it'll do a 5-part analysis for you, hands off. Just runs it, so come back in an hour and your samples are there. So it's very fast, very affordable, and also it's been designed with the same ease of use principles we've used in the screen design for this. So whether you're a small lab starting off, as you build up in your sophistication, and as you need more and more automation, we've got the full range to help you progress in being able to process more and more samples.
So as you can see, we have the product for a small lab, maybe 5 patients a day, 10 patients a day. Very simple to use at the district, even village level. Little bit more sophistication. And if patient is serious, he's in the hospital, even maybe 1,000-bedded hospital, this machine can do all the 1,000 patients in a single day, automatically, with the same precision which a doctor would do. And all the tests, the doctor's work has to look after 1,000 patients. It's an inhuman task. So now the doctor has to look at only the results coming from the computer here. The computer will tell us which is the patients who are truly of concern, who are showing the cells are not normal, and maybe out of 1,000 patients, this might be 70 or 80 serious patients. The doctor can give his full attention with his team so that those patients can hopefully be saved. So this is the wonder of the technology. And all the results can come from the village to the top doctor of Chennai on his iPad, because this machine can send the report, the graph, with the pictures of the cell right to the telephone of the doctor. Immediately you can get the top doctor to see the report and give the treatment to the person. Tell him, please come to hospital, or you rest at home, or you take this medicine, or you don't take the medicine. Whatever is the advice can be given to the benefit of a patient who is even far away. Today, with all of them can be on the internet and phone, a report going to the phone of the doctor. So it doesn't matter if you're in your village and you're falling sick. If the machines are nearby, you can get the benefit. Okay? And this is our gift to India on our 40th anniversary. Okay? We love you.